Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to do double spacing in Google Docs so you can make your document easier to read and properly formatted. Now let's get started. Step 1. Select your text. Highlight the paragraph or sentences where you want to apply double spacing by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text. If you want to apply it to the whole document, press Ctrl+A on Windows or CMD+A on Mac to quickly select everything. Step 2. Use the toolbar. Look at the top toolbar in Google Docs and find the line and paragraph spacing icon, which looks like a vertical arrow next to 3 horizontal lines. This option controls the spacing between lines and paragraphs in your document. Step 3. Choose double spacing. Click the line and paragraph spacing icon to open the drop-down menu, then select the option called Double. Once you click it, Google Docs will instantly apply double spacing to the selected text. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel.